I grew an account from 0 subscribers to over 950 subscribers. Scratch that. We hit 1010 subscribers before I could finish editing this video. So back to the video. I mean, guys, this is mind-blowing. A brand new account, not even an old account. So look, if this is something you're interested in, you want to find out how I was able to do this and achieve this result, stick with me to the end of this video, because I'm going to be putting you through every step all through the way of how I was able to achieve this. Look, it's mind-blowing. It's mind-blowing, and I'm going to tell you everything. I'm not going to hide anything. I'm not going to keep anything. I will show you through the process, the pros and the cons to this process. It's organic. You're not spending a dime. If you're just seeing me for the first time, hello, hi, bon dia, botadipo noichi. My name is Henrietta. I'm called Etta. I help small YouTubers grow on this space and win on this game so that we can all achieve monetization. So back to the video. I was able to grow a brand new account. Look, I saw this tip on one creator's page. She was talking about how she grew her account to 1k subs in 1 week, in 2 days, I think. And I was like, how possible is that? Because I know how difficult YouTube can be. I've been on this space. In fact, I was on this space for a long time. Life happened, which I'm going to say in some other video, and I just left this channel. So now I'm back to this my lovely channel. And hello, shout out to my old subscribers. I didn't leave you guys. I love you all for still sticking around to this channel. So that will be in another video, right? So but now I'm here to grow this channel again. So your support is also needed, you guys. If you're seeing this video, your like and your subscription really matters to me. Look, this method is not even stressful at all. Very simple method, and I'm going to show you with proof when I created this account. So right here, I'll be screen recording from another phone so that you're going to see how I was able to achieve this and put you through all the processes. Okay, so now you can see this channel. It's a brand new channel. Okay, this account was created on 20th of November 2025. You guys, it's an absolute brand new channel. And what can you see? 72,350 views. This is mind-blowing, guys. It's mind-blowing. And not a dime was spent. I didn't pay for views. I didn't do anything. Just by using this simple hack that I'm about to tell you, I was blown away. I had to even try it on another channel. And look, you guys, I'm even trying it on this channel currently as of the time of making this video, because my channel as of yesterday, before making this video, was just 90 subscribers. But now I'm having over 200 and something subscribers. Okay, just know that it's through this hack, right? I'm sorry, but I had to just let you guys know, because please, you guys should organically subscribe as well. We don't have to only do the hacks. Okay, back to the video. So look, it's really funny to me. Why it's so funny is I know how long I've struggled on this space to get subscribers. If you struggle for subscribers on this space, I believe it's going to look funny to you as well. So imagine being at 90k yesterday, and today I'm already over 200 and something subscribers right now. About 220 or 30 subscribers. I don't know, maybe I'll check again, but maybe when you'll be watching this video, we might be over 10k subscribers. You never can tell. But okay, I'm going to put you guys through. All right, so you can see 70,350 views. Today is 27th of November. This account was created on 20th November, and I actually made the video, I think it was the next day, on the 21st of November. So this is barely 7 days. Okay, it's barely 7 days from time I made this video. And look, guys, how many subscribers are we at? 957 subscribers, guys. 957 subscribers. And in the last 7 days, I've had 69k views. All right, so from the graph here, you can see how active this is. You can see one video is having 58k, 5.8k views, 282k, 282 likes, and 28 comments. These are all organic. Okay, organic. And look, after showing you this hack, you even decide to channel your energy in this type of content. Trust me, you're going to make money and get monetized in no time, because there is a large audience for it. The audience is there. It's just for you to create the content, put it out, and understand the strategies. Okay, so now you can see 957, and probably by tomorrow or by the end of today, when I come back to this channel, I might be seeing over 1,000 subscribers. Okay, and That way, look, it just keeps adding up every day. When you just come every 24 hours, you come to your channel, you're seeing increase. You just see 200 new subscribers, 10, 15, 20, 100, like that. Now I need to clear something other creators did not mention about this strategy. So for you to do this, you can see I've made a couple of videos here. Is by collaboration. You're going to collaborate with like two particular channel, is Prosperity X and one other channel. I'm going to leave the name here. About two of them. Please don't go outside of these channels. I'll suggest you work with these two channels. Go look for good videos that are, a lot of people are collaborating with as well, and make your own video in that line. Why I'm saying these two channels is that they are getting visibility right now, and they're not just getting visibility by accident. It's because of the kind of videos they are making. They are making videos that have CTA. What is CTA? Call to action. And their videos are targeting a particular age range, a particular audience on YouTube, which is the younger generation. They are the ones that will just, and look at the analytics. Let me just walk you through so you can see for yourself. All right, now you can see this particular video got 5,843 views, right, in the last 48 hours. In the last 48 hours, I'm having over 4,000 views. Okay, so with a lot of impressions, a lot of reactions, a lot of impressions. So these are not bots, they are real people. Why are these things like this? Now can you see the age range from 25 to 34 years old? 31% are the top age. Then 35 to 44 years, 48%. That is the age range of the audience that are viewing this content. Okay, so you can see it's more of the 35 to 44 years audience that are watching. And I kept wondering, adults cannot be buying into this kind of content. What's going on? How are adults buying into this kind of content? And I was like, oh, I get it now. These are kids using their parents' phone. Okay, these are kids using their parents' phone. So these are the age range that are actually taking action. And look, the audience is there, so they are the ones you can just say click the subscribe, and they'll just keep subscribing and commenting. And it's a CTA video, so that CTA makes the engagement add up so quickly. So I needed to clear that so you can understand. And what this does is, if you decide to delve into this niche and keep making this kind of content organically for yourself, it can actually get you monetized, okay, if you do it the right way. Or you can decide to just gain your 1,000 subscribers and just stop at that. Okay, you can either delete the videos, because the views are adding up, the comments and reactions are also adding up. But this is a YouTube short method. Okay, now we're going to try one of the methods. You just go to prosperity.x. You can see I've already checked. You have to go to this one that has 164k subscribers. Okay, so now you can see they only have 5 videos, but they have 164k subscribers, just by telling kids to do what I don't know what now, so. But this is the channel you need to go to. So what you need to do is, when you click on a video, for instance this one, so all you need to do is click on release collab. So when you come on the channel, all you need to do, you can see this is above here is 15 seconds is what you're seeing. All you need to do is tap on this 15 seconds and the full video length will come up. You just drag this at the bottom and don't take it to the end. Click next. So now you can see, I can see myself. So all you need to do, and here automatically mine is already on mute. All I need to do is start recording. You can just be making reactions. Oh, just kidding. If I guess your mom's name, we're eliminated. You're eliminated. I'll start with the rarest ones. If your mom's name is Eleanor or Francis, sorry. So basically what you just need to be doing is reacting to this video. Okay, just 1 or 2 reactions. I don't need to make this so long. All you need to do is react. When you react to the video, after that you just click here. This is how it's going to look. So if you want, you can just add text. Click the subscribe button, and you can just leave it at that, or you can just write like and subscribe. So I'll just reduce this. I'll change the color to red so it will be visible enough, and leave it on my own part of the video. Okay, click the subscribe button, and after this you just click on next and it's processing. You just move it to the part where the original creator used also for their video, which I think is this eliminated, right? You can move the video around here. So you can use any part of this video as your thumbnail, okay, because that's what will appear. Whichever part of this video you select, like this is what's going to appear. So you click on the good. So what you need to do now is to copy the exact text that the original creator used, copy it and just paste it on the captions. I forgot to do that. I would have shown you. Okay, so copy that exact title on the video and the hashtag as well. Make sure you're using both the exact hashtag and title, just the way the creator wrote it on theirs, and paste it here. Okay, when you're done, you can just decide to make it public. You can decide to unlist it or private, but you can just publish it immediately, and your views will start raking in like crazily. Your views, your subscribers, and you will just be so surprised. Okay, so if you have a related video you want to add to it, it's just for you to add any related. So as you can see, I made a couple of videos, you know, so I make sure to leave the comment on. That is one thing I need to let you know. Leave the comment on, because this comment is what helps the engagement. When there are lots of engagement, the algorithm will be pushing out that video to more people. Most creators will just tell you make one video and wait, and you get 1,000 subscribers in 24 hours, and it doesn't work that way. Yeah, well, it might work, it might have worked that way for them, but it didn't work that way for me. When I did it, I waited. I think I got about 200 subscribers in the first 24 hours or in 2 days or thereabout. Okay, what I did was I just made another random video, okay, and posted that video. Also got a lot of views and a lot of subscribers for me as well. So basically what you need to know is to collaborate with creators that has these videos about, you know, with city, a call to action, because these kids are just hearing subscribe with your pinky finger. If you are smart, this one is for boys, it's for girls, and stuff's in that line. Okay, so they want to actually take action just to feel like, okay, yeah, I'm smart, I'm good, and all of that. So basically that's how to go about this thing. And one thing you need to know is, if you get your 1,000 subscribers and you don't delete the video, you just keep getting those subscribers. Okay, those kind of subscribers will keep coming. If it's going to affect your algorithm, I don't know, but I believe YouTube will keep pushing that video to those kind of age range. And the good thing is, you know, that this, for them to unsubscribe is almost impossible, because people don't know, their parents may not even know they must have subscribed to channels like this. They're not interested in checking for subscribers, if people they've subscribed to or not. So you can even make a good content and their parents will resonate with it later on and all of that. Okay, or you can decide to stick to this kind of content and it will still work for you. If you try this method and it works for you, just come back to the comment of this video and say it worked for me. So that's why I took my time to give you this step-by-step guide. And another hack to this is, after posting this video, because right now we don't care about reuse content, we don't care about we are not even talking about monetization right now, right? We're not talking about reuse content or YouTube policy. What you need is to just hit your 1,000 subscriber as much as possible, because short views does not count until you get 10 million views. Okay, so we are not even after the views. What we are after is the subscribers. So you can even make this video today, tomorrow you go on that channel, make another video from the same channel, or you make another video from the other channel I talked about. Okay, so try, when you see your views are not adding up as much as you want, make another video. Don't just wait for one video to give you the subscribers you're waiting for. Make another video. Okay, and if you want me to show you how you can do this without your face, make sure to watch the next video I'm going to post. Okay, click this link here and you're going to see how you're going to get your 1,000 subscribers, doing it in a faceless way. If you don't want to put out your face there using this method, I'm going to show you in this video how you're going to do it. And if you want to know how to push your content for more visibility is very important, and to rank even on Google, please check this video here on how to use timestamp, which will give you more visibility for people to even search on Google, and your channel will come up as suggestions. Okay, on this channel, remember, it's all about growth. We are all growing, and I'm back to the channel. So expect more of me on this channel, and I hope you found value in this video. See, I am sure, I am certain you're going to get subscriber if you can go into action. Many people will see this video but they will not take action. Look, I was even reluctant before taking action, but trust me, if you can take action upon seeing this video, from now till tomorrow you're going to see nothing less than 50 subscribers. Give it 24 hours, and look, it's almost weekend. Take advantage of this because this works more on the weekend. People are less busy, people are free, scrolling through their phones, parents are home, kids are home, parents will easily give their phones to kids to use and all of that. Look, you can get that 1,000 subscribers in 24 hours if you can implement this over the weekend. Okay, follow through within the weekend, because it was over the weekend I got more of my views that racked up to almost 900 subscribers. So it's fantastic. I'm really excited about this hack. Who knows how long it's going to last? So make good use of it. Till next one, ciao guys.